world is still recovering from the sudden death of Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi. The 63-year-old and his foreign minister were killed in a helicopter crash while they were returning from Azerbaijan to the Iranian city of Tabriz. After battling brutal weather and heavy fog for more than 12 hours, search teams finally found the charred remains of the chopper. It confirmed the Iranian establishment's worst fears. Two of the country's most powerful men were no more. While condolences poured in from across the world and Iran declared a 5-day mourning period, there were also these scenes. Many Iranians celebrating the death of a man who they saw as a murderer. Raisi's death brings an end to one of the toughest and most uncompromising players the Middle East has ever seen. And while Raisi is no more, his hair-raising past still haunts many. The Iranian president, who assumed office in November 2021, was known for his harsh actions against political opponents. A year after attaining power, Raisi tightened hijab laws in the country. This move angered the Iranian women who staged numerous protests and refused to abide by the law. Raisi imposed the law as Iranian women shunned head coverings. His actions backfired after Mahsa Amini's death. 22-year-old Amini was arrested for not abiding by the law and covering her head. The young girl died in police custody, sparking worldwide protests. Ever since demonstrations against Amini's death began in Iran, more than 500 people were killed, including 70 minors. Iran faced its worst political turmoil in years following Amini's death. Raisi was also known as the Butcher of Tehran. The Iranian president earned this title in 1988 after playing a key role in the mass execution of political prisoners. Raisi was one of the 4 judges responsible for killing as many as 30,000 prisoners during the Iran-Iraq War. In 2017, Raisi lost his presidency to pragmatist Hassan Rouhani. An audio tape highlighting Raisi's role in the 1998 executions surfaced, leading to his downfall during the election. Raisi's tenure also witnessed escalating tensions with Israel. His unwavering support for Palestine and defiance against Israel caused friction between Iran and the Zionist nation. In recent times, Iran and Israel have exchanged fire against each other. Israel was accused of bombing Iran's embassy in Damascus, killing its top officials. Iran then launched a retaliatory attack which did not cause much harm to Israel. Iran is known for backing the Palestinian nation by funding proxy groups such as Hamas, Lebanon's Hezbollah, and Yemen's Houthis. Raisi has condemned Israel's war on Gaza numerous times and vowed full support to Palestine. President Ebrahim Raisi always put his country and Islamic ideology first throughout his reign. His commitment drew him closer to Iran's supreme leader, Khamenei. The hardline cleric was seen as a possible successor of Khamenei before his death. Raisi held several important positions in Iran's judicial system, and his death will leave a void in Iran's religious political system.